What are your priorities in giving tzedakah? There's a very famous passage in Maimonides' Mishnah Torah, Code of Law, in his laws on the laws of helping the poor, called the 8 Steps of Charity. And this is very famous, and you should know about it, if you don't already. The things to remember are the dignity of the poor must be always respected, and helping people to help themselves is the greatest form of tzedakah. Tzedakah is righteous giving. Charity is not really a great word for it because that implies the Greek charitas, giving out of love, and this is a righteous commandment. Okay, so this is a ladder of giving. In the bottom rung, the worst kind of giving, but still good, is the person who gives reluctantly and with regret. Number 2, going up to the top, the person who gives graciously but less than you should. Number 3, the person who gives what you should but only after being asked. Number 4, the person who gives before being asked. Number 5, the person who gives without knowing to whom one gives, although the recipient knows the identity of the donor. Now, in Chicago, for example, all the gifts to the Jewish United Fund are recorded in something called the Book of Life and distributed. So we know everybody who gives how much, but you don't always know, and we know all the agencies that get, but you don't know the individuals who get, so they're trying to respect these priorities as much as possible. Number 6, the person who gives without making one's identity known, giving anonymously. 7, the person who gives without knowing to whom one gives, and the recipient doesn't know the donor. And the highest form on this ladder is the following: the person who helps another to support oneself by a gift or a loan or finding employment for that person, thus helping that person become independent. Those are the 8 rules or 8 laws, according to Maimonides, in the ladder of tzedakah.